Welcome to Science Story Time, where giggles meet galaxies and tiny heroes teach big ideas. Today's story is Zippy and the Sneezing Stars. In a faraway galaxy filled with sparkling stars and floating planets, there lived a tiny yellow shiny comet named Zippy. Zoom, zoom, I'm the fastest little comet in the space. Zippy loved to race around stars and loop through planets, but he had one funny problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Achoo! Every time Zippy sneezed, the stars began to twinkle even brighter. Ooh, that tickles! Bless you, Zippy, your sneeze made me shine. But not everyone was happy about it. Hey, my sky looks way too glittery. Yes, my moons are blinking like disco lights. The planets thought Zippy was making the stars sick. Oh no, I didn't mean to. I can't stop sneezing. Just then, a warm golden glow filled the sky. It was the sun. Now, planets, don't be cross. Zippy isn't hurting anyone. Really, Mr. Sun? I'm not making the stars sick? Not at all, little comet. Your sneezes send waves of light dancing through space. That's what makes the stars twinkle. So, my sneezes make the universe sparkle? Exactly. You help the sky shine even brighter. Zippy's eyes sparkled with joy. From that day on, he didn't hide his sneezes anymore. Ready, stars? Here comes one. Achoo! Yay! Shine bright, Zippy! And that's how the night sky became full of glittering stars, thanks to one tiny comet's funny sneezes. Achoo! Oops, another twinkle. Even the smallest actions can make the universe shine brighter. Did you know? Stars don't really twinkle. It's the air around Earth that bends their light, making them look like they're sparkling. But isn't it fun to imagine a little comet helping them shine? Keep shining, everyone!